Welcome to this ZEROPLUS tutorial on capturing logic analyzer data with Python. Let's get started. First, create a bus 0 general bus. In the ZEROPLUS software, set up bus 0 and configure the A0 pin for a rise edge trigger. This sets the condition for data capture. Next, select Net Server mode. Go to the Mode drop-down menu and choose Net Server. A window will display an IP address. Now, modify your Python code. Update the code with the IP address shown in the Net Server window. Then, start the capture. In the Net Server window, click the Run button. Execute your Python program. In the terminal, use the Run command to start recording. Check the status with the Ready command. Once recording is complete, use the Get Bus 0 command to retrieve the logic analyzer data. Finally, stop the capture. In the Net Server window, click the Stop button. That's it. You're ready to analyze data with Python. Subscribe for more tutorials, and visit zeroplus.com.tw for details. Happy coding!